Welcome back again to our YouTube channel, Dan Ferreira. Our last video, we did we're doing last year, or going to give us landscape. We did the fencing and design, fence design. That's what we're doing. So we have achieved this so far. We are still going on with it. So let's have a design at the fence at once. Edict. Let me cut. Okay. Cutting up all the corners. Comment on the comment section whether we are having challenge on the design. We are going to help you to master your Revit design modeling. Okay. Pick a line. Okay. What does our line look like? Okay. The cutting was supposed to be done on the middle, but we can manipulate that and take it in. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. So whenever we're bringing up a tips like this, be following us. We are receiving all our videos that guide you in how to modify your designs and modify your structure, architectural designs, and more. Okay. Drag it inside. Join elements. Drag it inside. Join elements. Drag it inside. I was supposed to cut it inside. Join elements. Drag it inside. Join elements. Okay. So if no use, delete completely. Delete completely. Delete completely. Delete completely. Since I've already, okay, now use this to, this is trimmer extension, extended corner. So let's use it to help us to achieve what we want to do. like that, like that, like that, like that, like that. Okay. Like that. The fence design. Remove the tools again. Delete, 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 delete. Okay. Okay. Finish. Okay. Look at how it looks. Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful look. Okay. Let's have something like that equally here. Edit. Line. Okay. Follow us for more tips like this in our YouTube channel. Follow us for more tips like this. Comment on the comment section. If you're having challenges, you let us know so I can help you out today. Okay. If you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe so as to motivate us in bringing more of this into reality. Okay. Cut key. Okay. Just slash it at the middle to serve. To serve just at the middle. Okay. Okay. Removing all excesses of the line, cutting it off with trim extension, the trimmer extension. We're here to give you landscape of this site and the fence work in full. Finish. Okay, have it done. Beautiful look. Beautiful look. Okay. Highlights. Let me pick the line first. Edit. Pick the line first. Okay. I'll do all of this. Click, click, click. Okay. Well, with our tools, just keep applying it. Just keep applying it. Give you different designs of fence work, different concepts. This concept just come up now. I never have intention of doing this, but this concept says we should do this so that it could help the design of the building, something that will look uniform and look admirable to the structure. Okay. Let's cut. Let's cut. At the middle of all the applied, slash it to 2. Okay. Use our string extension. Okay. To cut off the excesses. Okay. 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 Finish up. This is to have. Beautiful. Look at that. So when the front face. Okay. I'll do the same thing likewise here. Okay, edit. Pick. What's happening on this edge? We'll have it's like we'll have it at the edge. Okay. Found it. Okay. Please, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe and turn up your notification button comment and share our posts. Okay. How to construct. Okay. Okay. Cut material. Don't need to cut that. Extend it alongside. Therefore, trim extension. Okay. Units. Finish. Okay. This is what we have got at this portion. So looking at our landscape, we're not seeing green area. So we're going to create green area in all the pathways. Green area. Okay. First of all, let's create green area here. Let's go to PVC level. Let's pick floor material. Floor material. I'm going to check something. I'm going to see the floor we are using before now. The floor we are using before now. Okay. This is a generic floor. Generic floor. So let me use this generic floor to do this. First of all, hope you know how we came here. I was just trying to see the floor plan we were using before now. Let me say finish. No. Quick sketch. Go to architectural. Go to architectural. You're going to see floor here. So we are picking this floor now here is same floor here. So let's do this, pick like this. Quick finish. Okay. So that floor. Anywhere, let me highlight, edit it to what I want. I don't have a problem with the height. Before editing, excuse, before editing, I need to duplicate first. I need to duplicate it. Tell the command that it's no more uniform with others. Therefore, change the floor. Let me say go for concrete. Any material I can pick for that and name it whatever I want to do. So I call it paints. Then change the material, the texture level. Okay, let's say I need sites. It's site indeed. So green. Well, let me just say use the material for rendering for my graphics. Okay, let me just place something to look at the surface. 40 at the graphics level. Okay, do not apply. I have to come back to apply before okay. You need to set your material up you're going to make use of. Else, you need to differentiate the materials you're making use of. They are all in flow. If you didn't differentiate the material, you will okay, still working, okay, this is it. Therefore, let's pick our floor, go to floor, save material, okay, let's pick our line. I need my floor inside here. Therefore, remove the externals, delete, bring up another line, the curvic line that will suit whatever you are designing. Now, curvic line. Control Z. Use Control Z to remove, and it drops where you don't want it to drop. Finish, model. Okay, it's highlighting to show it they are of the same height. Okay, I'm going to leave this one up with above the ground level. Let's say 100. Let's say 150 as well. Okay, good. That's what I've done in 3D. Good. That's what I've done in 3D. So therefore, let's change to this. Another texture. Says generate. 200. The third one, not two, third, got to have. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, therefore let's place green area at the corner of the curves. I use this material. Meanwhile, let me lift it at once. Should be 150 with the ground. Okay, let me use it at once. Let me use this. Edit. So I want to use it. We have at the back of the curves. And pick cover material. Then trim it out. The legs. Also move. Okay. Or something good. Get a line. Okay. Okay. Now your curvy line. Curvy line. To achieve this, trimmer, green out, trimmer extension. Okay. Lift tools. Okay, we have something good and nice. Hope you're following step by step how we do it. If you're having difficulty in any of the design, chat us up on my YouTube channel, drop message. Okay. Just want to make all the green area behind the fence to be equal, uniform. Okay, curly line, pick a curly line, pick a curly line, this, okay, delete by using the functions, okay, extension, choosing extension to solve it. Oh, okay, curly wall, extension, finish, model. So what we have, so what we have in there. So let's see it at the 3D region. The environment is looking green. Now we can still lift it high. Let's still lift it high. Let's still lift it high. Okay. So it can be seen very well. Say it's going to be, let's say 300. That's 300. Okay, now it's being seen. Just so this bed, 300. Control Z, 20 on 3000. Move one of the zero, so it can come 300. Nice. It's slapping fine. As a carpet garage, that will be the level it will be after rendering. Therefore, we're going to place flower pots here and here and here. Kind of use flower pots. So what I'm going to use in the flower pots? Let's use block. So we just place block flowers in it to look nice. So go to wall. Let's use some wall. Some wall with the building. Let's go for generic 200,000, right? 200. Generic 200 is what was used. Save. Let's confirm. Don't think it's not it. Let's highlight the wall to know what was used. This is generic 200 millimeter basic. Let's remove this. This is not it. Is it? It is. They are same. So let's work with it. They're same. So let's work with it. Go to from DPC level. get the wall. We're offsetting it. Let's not offset it. Let's place it at the 0 level. Offsetting below, we're not setting below. Now the height should be, let's say 400. Let's say 400. So let's build. Okay. Lock. So let's have it here. Let's have it here. Let's have it here. Like I used to tell my students, everything I do, I work with dimensions. So going back to dimension it properly. Okay. If it looks that lengthy, it's going to be beautiful. It looks more beautiful when it's shared into two. Click onto that. Okay. Think have to stop here. Control Z, Control Z. It's attaching the wall. It's not going to attach the wall. It's a different body on its own. Okay. Dimension. Between here and here should be meanwhile in this space should be 300. Make it 400. Or the projection into N should be 400. I think we're good with that. Okay. We didn't cut this wall. You can still achieve this wall this way too. You can offset, you can copy, place, understand? You can offset, you can copy. For those that were in our class, when we started. Okay. So whatever I'm doing here, I'm also doing to that. So first of all, this should be 400. Good. Okay. Let's say this should be 3,000, 1,000, 2,600. Fair enough. This is 3,005. So much. 2,200. Okay. 2,200. So let's say it's 3000. Okay, likewise this one. $3,000 is not even. This is 2,000, 2,700, 2,800. That will be fine this way. $2,800. A lot of space, a very good space. So therefore cut here and here, trimmer, extension to have this, of a sweet and perfect cut hole. Okay. Close one. The dimension. Say the width is going to be 500. Highlight. 400. Just like others. Other width. Dimension. The 400. Okay. These points are going to be, it's going to be uniform with the other part. Here should be 400. The length should be 2,800. Okay, let's go by that. Let's go by that. This 400. This is 2,800. Right here is equal to 2,800. Cotton material. It's not getting closer enough. $400. Okay. Don't need to space it before doing that command. If I should space it before doing that command, we wouldn't have achieved it. Okay. Finish. Let's go to 3D and see what we have done. Wow. Thought to set this to 300 to 400. Setting denied us. So what we do now is to highlight highlight. This highlights. The final dimension should be 400. We set it then, but it didn't. Probably command didn't take it. See how it looks? That's good. Okay. It's like the height is too small, right? Just lift it up a bit to this level. Just lift it up a bit. So you can design and adjust using your command too. Just hold the control button. You'll be picking the tools here to work with. Okay, let's make it 600. So I could come up a bit. 600. Okay, and this is good. In the next video, you should be lifting this to Lumion. Now next video, you should be lifting it to Lumion. Should be lifting it to Lumion. Should be lifting it to Lumion. Okay. Have it too. Close it. Lost it. Okay. Alright. Lost it again. What's happening? Let's take it. Bit. 600. Okay. No, we'll keep losing it initially when I highlighted it with this one. Okay. It's 100. At this point, the video is going too lengthy. I have to end it here. Please, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please follow up for more tips like this. Subscribe. Subscribe, please subscribe. In the next video, we'll be putting rail to this and lifting it to Lumion. Okay? Thank you.